Congress MLA Vijayananda Kashappanavar has expressed dissatisfaction over the alleged denial of tickets to MLAs and ministers for upcoming IPL matches, accusing the Karnataka State Cricket Association of not respecting elected representatives. Speaking on the issue, Kashappanavar said the IPL matches are scheduled to begin on the 28th of this month, but the Karnataka State Cricket Association has not provided tickets to MLAs, ministers or their families. He alleged that despite receiving facilities from the government, including security arrangements, the association has not extended basic courtesy to elected representatives. He further stated that the Karnataka State Cricket Association has asked people to book tickets online, which according to him encourages black marketing. He claimed that tickets priced at 5,000 rupees are being sold for 35,000 rupees. He also pointed out that there are no proper arrangements for MLAs and ministers. Kashappanavar said that the issue was raised in the assembly by the opposition leader and that he had supported the demand. He added that a request had been made to the speaker to take necessary action and ensure that at least 5 tickets are issued to each MLA. He also demanded separate seating arrangements, stating that MLAs are VIPs and should not be made to stand in queues. Referring to a previous experience, he said MLAs had to stand in line and were made to sit in the general gallery along with the public, which according to him should not happen again. He stressed that proper respect should be shown to elected representatives. Kashappanavar further said that the matter had also been brought to the attention of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. He assured them that the issue would be resolved, tickets would be arranged and proper seating facilities would be provided in the stadium. Responding to questions about the Home Minister's meeting with KSCA and the guidelines issued, Kashappanavar said there were no proper guidelines in place. He alleged that KSCA has become too powerful because of IPL matches and is not listening to anyone. He further accused the association of focusing only on collecting money and warned that if the situation continues, we would fight against it.
IPL match is going to start on 28th of this month. Karnataka State Cricket Association has not providing the tickets for the MLAs, ministers and their families. See, they are taking all the facilities from the government. They are getting all the securities, everything. They are taking all the facilities from the government, but they are not respecting the MLAs. They are not issuing the tickets. Even they are telling online. Online is all we know. It's all the black market. They are taking in the online. Their bookies are there. They are selling it in a black. One ticket which is cost 5,000 rupees. We are buying it for 35,000 rupees. So there is no facilities for the MLAs and ministers. So we requested the government. Opposition leader has raised the issue in the assembly. So I also supported that, and we requested our speaker to take necessary action against them and issue the ticket, minimum 5 tickets for the MLAs, and they have to make a separate sitting arrangement there. We are VIPs. We can't go in the queue and stand there. We went last time, we were standing in the queue. They are sending us in some gallery with the public. It's not going to happen. So they have to have certain respects. So they have to take a necessary action. We requested our Deputy CM. He also promised us he'll solve this problem and get the tickets for us and make a separate statement for us for a sitting arrangement in the stadium.
Sir, last week Home Minister had a meeting with the KSCA and they have released the guidelines also. Regarding that also they have released. So how do you see this?
No, there is no guidelines. They won't listen anybody. They have become that much big. KSCA has become that much big because these IPL matches are going. They won't listen to anybody. They are collecting the money and they are enjoying. This is not going to happen. If this is the same thing is going to happen, we are going to fight against this.